Hi YouTube, it's Annette. So today I just decided to come to another park that I've never been to. It's technically in my area, I've just never been to it. And I do try to ask my husband to come with me, but it's like pulling teeth to get him to come. So I just came on my own. It's the middle of the day. It was really overcast, but now it's really sunny. So I was at another park and I just came over here. I don't even know how to get in the park. I didn't know where the parking lot was. I just followed other people. So I guess you all can come with me as I go to this park. I believe it has like a really big lake, and the other parks like just don't have anything cool to look at. So I'm just gonna walk around, not too fast because it is hot and I did already exercise. Okay, so I'm on a trail, but I had to cross the street because it's one way, which is cool, but I'm not next to the lake. But I came here for the lake. So I have to walk back that way just so I can be closer to the lake. The bugs are so loud out here. So loud. It's really nice though. Only maybe like the sidewalk was paved, like by the street. Not really paved anymore. Just dirt. Oh look, and mud. So, I did see some geese, but since I live in the city, I expect that's all I see. So that's good. Somebody made their own trail. I'm gonna follow the big trail. It's really like in the middle of like a whole neighborhood is a lake. How cool. I mean, it's cool until it floods. So I'm on some gravel path. I skipped it the first time and I just went walking through the trees, but it was like way too many trees. And then like the path was unmarked, so I didn't know where it was going. Well, hell, I don't know where this is going. Probably to nowhere. Walk to nowhere. I'm so tired now. I think we've been walking for like 30 minutes. So, and some squirrels. Like, these are woodland squirrels. They're not like city squirrels. So like, they didn't run from me. They weren't fazed by my presence. I heard them leave. I'm still trying to figure out how to get back to the other side of the lake. Who knows? So, I think I'm just gonna have to walk back the way I came. Because I can't figure out how to get over that way because my car's like there. And it's super hot. And I've been out the house walking for like 2 hours. like a swinging bench overlooking the lake. It's in the shade now. I have to walk the whole way back in the sun. So I thought I'd rest. Okay, so wild animal count is 4. I've seen a turtle, waterfowl, squirrels, and geese. None of them are dangerous to humans, so that's good, because I was real deep up in there. But I'm back at the end. My car's over there, up the hill, so I've survived. I do have injuries to report. I will survey them when I get back in the car, though. I am back in the car. It was like, it's really cute park, but I just could not figure, the trails are unmarked, so I got confused. I just had to, at least I can find my way back where I came from. Not oblivious. Not too many people do have their kids out and it's like 90 degrees, but I understand. What are you gonna do? But not that many people. It was one lady I kept running into. I think she got annoyed with me, but it was like every time she stopped, I was gonna stop. So, oh well. Hope you're doing well if you're watching this. But other than that, it was fine. I have walked 11,000 steps today, which never, ever, ever happens. I probably have never walked this far in my entire life. It is only 3 o'clock, so, I mean, the record can go wherever. I could walk 15,000. Who knows what I plan to do for the rest of the day? I don't know. I did text my husband a picture, and he was like, oh, why didn't you tell me you were going someplace nice? Like, if I say I'm going to the park, there are countless parks. We can go to any park. But, so maybe now that I've actually been here and I can attest to its beauty, maybe he will come. But the upside is he got to be alone for like 3 hours, so. But that's all I have for today. I hope to keep up with my content because I did have a little bit of I was bored of this and I just had a lot going on, so I just couldn't figure out what to do and I like fell off like everything, but I'm back. So bye. See you later. Bye.